Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Tesla solar panel system and seeing if it is worth it. Tesla solar panels are more efficient than most other solar panels on the market. This means that they can generate more electricity from the sun, which can save you money on your energy bills. Tesla solar panels come with a longer warranty than most other solar competitors. This means that you can be confident that your panels will last for many years. Tesla solar panels can be seamlessly integrated into your roof, so they won't look out of place. This is a major advantage over traditional solar panels, which can be unsightly. Tesla solar panels are more expensive than most other solar panels on the market. This is because they are made with higher quality materials and have a longer warranty. Tesla solar panels are not available everywhere. This is because they are a relatively new product and they are not yet widely available. Whether or not Tesla solar panels are worth it depends on your individual circumstances. If you are looking for the most efficient and durable solar panels on the market, then Tesla solar panels are a great option. However, if you are on a tight budget, then you may want to consider other solar panel brands. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to install Tesla solar panels is a personal one. You should weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos.